All right. So this one is the second part of the thing. Well, I hope you guys can do this question number 3 and 4 by yourself. But this one, I'll just tell you. This one is the product rule. This part is the product rule. So this one is F. This one is G. And you just derive it at the end. That's what you need to do, okay? So this one is going to be F prime of X equals what? F prime times G plus G prime times F, which is this part. And we got this one. Plus, you have to derive this one, 3x prime, okay? So that's what you need to do. 4, you should be able to do it, all right? So quotient rule. I believe you guys can do this one by yourself, but let me go over the easy one because I know you guys can do this one. But F, so it's gonna be, F prime of X is gonna be for the quotient rule. It's gonna be F prime. Let's say this one is F over G. In that case, it's F prime times G minus G prime times F over G squared, right? So in this case, although I just do it on top of my head, but because I love you, I'm doing it. Do you hear me, Mariani? Don't cry. Or Maria. Watch this, right? So only thing that I have to do is F prime of X is F prime times G minus G prime times F over G squared, right? So let me plug in. F prime is gonna be 3x squared minus 5 times, what is G? X minus G prime is what? 1. I don't even have to write 1, but I'm just writing it. Over x squared. That's what it is. You can make it simpler, like you distribute this one and make it simpler, but I'm not gonna ask you to do that because, yeah, who wants to do it, right? So you guys can complete other questions by yourself. I think that's pretty easy. You just plug it in. If you get fraction, like fraction of fraction, not a big deal. Just leave it like that, okay? All right. So this is the AP exam like question. So let me go over this one so that you guys can go over this one, okay? So here, that's a question. I gotta find F prime of 2, right? And that's a L and C, like here. So not a big deal. Like you do it. Same thing, quotient rule. F prime of 2 is equal to what? Here. That's a F. That's a G, right? So here, L. So it's LT, and you gotta put L prime of T, and you have what? Oh, this can be, yeah. So whatever. It has to be this entire thing. C, T, and what's that called? 3 times C prime of T, okay? So that's what it is. So let's do this one. Because I'm so used to F and G, so it's gonna be a little bit thing. But let's do this one. Here, so it's gonna be what? L T times 3CT minus, I'm gonna move it this one here. What is it? 3 times C prime of T. It's actually 2 times just regular one, 1T, LT over, now this is what you have to be careful, 3 CT, this entire thing squared. All right, just be careful with this one. So let's do this one. What is LT? This one is this. So it's gonna be 2 times, there's a 3 times, what's a CT? It's another 3 minus 3 times, what's a C prime of T? Negative 2 times LT negative 1. Just remember, the table is right here. Over 3 times, what's a CT? 3 squared. So that's what you gotta do. You have to simplify this one for this particular one. So you gotta do 2 times 3 minus 3 times negative 2 times negative 1 over 3 times 3 like that, okay? So it's not a big deal. I think you guys can do this one by yourself. Just be careful with this. And this one is gonna be a pretty similar question. Just instead of table, they just give you the answer, give you the number. So you just have to do like something. Oh no, never mind. This one, y minus y1, this one, okay? So you guys can do this one. You can, figure this one out, I guess, right? So you gotta find tangent line where is, so you have to drive it, like, of this one. So it's not even quotient rule. This one is close to the product rule, yeah. So it's gonna be what? It's gonna be what? 2x times f of x plus f prime of x times x squared, right? And then you're trying to find g prime of what? 2. So that's what you need to find as well, and then plug this one in. You got the slope, and then do everything, okay? I will go over this one in class if you really need help on this one, all right? So that's about it, guys. If you have a question, let me know. I think you guys can do this one on your own because you guys are smart. If not, then look at your note, all right? That's it, guys. Love you guys. See ya.